Right, so this is how to install Power BI on a Mac. Here I've got Windows installed within Parallels, and Parallels is a virtual machine that allows you to install other operating systems. There are other options available. VMware Fusion is another option which is free as well, but it doesn't work as well as Parallels for these kinds of Microsoft software. So all you do is once Parallels is installed, you go to the Microsoft Store. Here you would have a button to download it. I've already downloaded it. Installation takes literally a couple of minutes, and then once that's done you can open it, and I've got an example here of Power BI open, and sorry, I'll just bring that up, and you can see here it's just like using it if you were using it on a Windows machine. I've got an example open here too. It works pretty smoothly. It's a little bit laggy at times, but this is by far the easiest way to run Power BI on a Mac.